Today's video will be a test of my new 3.5 cubic foot freezer, which I will turn into a fridge using an Arduino. Check it out. Using this wemos D1 Mini, I will control a relay. I'm using a LED just for reference, but it'll control a relay that will control my new freezer. And using this waterproof thermistor, I'll be able to drop this down into the fridge, power up the wemos D1 Mini with the 110 coming into the fridge, and then I'll control the electronics in the fridge off of that relay using a simple code. So right now I'm showing 62.12 degrees, and the water I'm showing 63 degrees, so I'm off by 1 degree, not a big deal. So if I pull the thermistor out and I let it warm up in my hand, when it gets to 70 degrees, it'll turn on. So as you can see, there we go. The relay is, or the light's on. And then when I drop it back into the water, you'll see once it drops down to, where do we have it at? 66 degrees, which is right there. So 70 was on, 66 was off. You can see that once it gets to below 66, the relay is off. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section. This is the Cuppet 3.5 cubic foot fridge. I got it off of eBay for 150 bucks, brand new. Now we're going to check the inrush feed amperage. Alright, we got 8.35 amps inrush. Not even one full amp. So I did the math at 8.35 amps times 120 volts is 1002 watts. That's at startup coming out of the inverter. 0.90 amps at 120 is 108 watts coming out. Pulling on the batteries at 1002 watts divided by 12 volt is 83.5 amps when it starts. And at 108 watts divided by 12 volts equals 9 amps coming out of the batteries, which isn't bad. That's only when it starts and runs. The rest of the time it's just sitting there.